Hi. Knee pain is one of those things that bothers a lot of people. Sometimes they are huge medical issues, but sometimes they are little things that if you are able to identify the cause of, the knee pain goes away. I'm Dr. Rajni Patil. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist. My clinic is in Shivaji Park. I have about 20 years of practice. And I want to talk to you about knee pain today, just identify some of the causes so you will be able to understand whether this cause applies to you. And then hopefully this will help you understand your knee a little bit better and get closer to a solution for your knee pain. So let's look at few of the reasons why knee pain exists today. One primary reason can be either not doing any exercise at all. So maybe you are very sedentary, you work all day, so you're sitting all day long, you sit in awkward positions which doesn't help your knee. But also you could be one of those people who work out and you do a lot, so either you are not doing anything which doesn't lubricate the joint enough, or you're doing too much which exposes your knee to too much impact and things like that. Or even if you are doing something midway, so you're doing a balanced sort of exercise routine, but if you're not following some tips and safety features that you should be, then that can cause an issue. Reason number two can be your lifestyle itself. What are you doing in your daily life to either help your knee or to make the knee pain worse? What I mean by this is that is your nutrition good? Are you giving your body the nutrition that your joints need, your bones need? Because eventually if your bones are strong, if your muscles are strong, then your joints are also healthy. So that is one thing to think about. Also look at what kind of shoes and footwear you use, one at home, but also if you are doing any kind of walking, running, any activity that you're doing, make sure that you are having the kind of footwear that is correct for you. Oftentimes I find that people are, if they are barefoot at home, that's fine, but if you are flat-footed, then that may not be such a great idea. You may want to have footwear that supports your foot really well so that your alignment is better and your knees can sustain standing or walking through the day at home, so that your knees don't wear off as much. But also making sure that if you are going for a walk, then according to your foot type, your shoes should be bought. I have many other videos that I have spoken to about those. I will link that below for you to see. Another factor to note is your alignment. For the knee, your alignment, your body structure matters a great deal. So if you are, say, knock-kneed, where your knees are coming closer together, or if you have bow legs where your knees are slightly going outwards, this can mean that your knees are already a little bit in trouble. So I would encourage you to go stand in front of a full-length mirror and keep your feet close together, keep them nice and close, and then see the amount of gap that is there between the knees. There should be a little bit of gap, they shouldn't be touching, but it shouldn't be really wide as well. So just look at that and see broadly alignment, but of course if you have a physio, then your physio can probably check this for you also. Alignment is a huge thing. The malalignment usually arises from either your foot not being in a great position. If you have bunions, if you have heel pain, you're walking differently, if you are flat-footed, you're overpronating, you're supinating, any number of those reasons can put your knee at risk. Or if you have not really worked on your back muscles, your core muscles and your hip muscles. Remember, these are the muscles that are going to make sure that your knees stay healthy. So if you've not really paid attention to any of these muscles, then that's also going to put your knees at risk. Another thing to think about is when you do have knee pain, what do you do? Are you trying to find out the exact cause and source of the problem, or are you doing a band-aid solution? The band-aid solution is what? Just pop a pain medication, put a hot pack or ice pack every now and then life goes on, right? And then you just ignore the pain and hope that it never comes back, but it does. So you don't want to look for a band-aid solution. You want to find the cause. You want to look for an expert who can help you with this, whether it's an orthopedic surgeon or if it's your physio. Whoever it is who you trust can help you with your knee. The sooner that you will take action for your knee and do something about it, the better. And you don't want to do tons of investigations. You want to look at your body as a holistic approach and see what is it that's causing your knee pain. It may not be something internal, but it may be something internal like osteoporosis, bone thinning, your vitamin D being low. Any number of reasons could be causing that. So I urge you to find the solution based on the cause of the problem. One more mistake you might be making is listening to everybody about their knee issues and trying to treat your knee by yourself in that way. Remember, everybody's reason for knee pain is very different. No two people who come into the clinic with knee pain will get the cookie cutter same type of exercises. It's very individual what you need. So you must not listen to everyone. You must listen to somebody who knows what they're talking about. So an expert, a healthcare professional is who you need to approach to understand your knee better. So I hope that one of these might be the cause for you and you are able to find a solution for it. If not, I would urge you to find a professional that's right for you and make sure that you address your knee pain. I think that if you work on your alignment and if you wear the proper shoes and if you make sure that your muscles are strong, your hip core and your knee muscles, I often find people doing big huge exercises, squats, lunges, planks, things like that, but not focusing on the small muscles of our body like your quadricep muscle. Working in a very isolated way, that usually gets the fastest and the best results for you, long lasting results, which is what you want. If you think that this video has helped you get to the solution of your knee pain even a little bit, then make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I provide a lot of healthcare tips like this for you that will be beneficial, so make sure you stay tuned in for my next videos. If you think that making your knees stronger is the way to make sure that your knee pain goes away, then you must check out the knee conditioning workshop that I have coming up. It's a crash course. It's a 3-day workshop. It's all practical. You will understand your knee so much better. So come join me in that crash course and I'll see you there.